my name is Oliver from the Base Code sales team, and I would like to show you our factory fitted wheelchair conversion for the Nearplan P21. However, the conversion for the Nearplan P10 is very similar. The conversion was carried out at the Moby People factory in Portugal. It includes the fitting of a Hydrol Global wheelchair lift and a PSVAR compliant Moby Tech destination equipment. No seating capacity is lost due to the conversion, as 2 double seats are fitted with quick release feet for easy removal to create the space for a wheelchair passenger when it is needed. The wheelchair restraints for a wheelchair passenger are included in the conversion. No luggage capacity is lost due to the conversion, as the wheelchair lift is fitted above the front axle. We submit the completed vehicle for PSVA1 inspection, so you will receive your coach back complete with the PSVAR certificate. We can also supply factory fitted wheelchair solutions for several other models, including Nearplan, Marco Polo, Scania Omni, Plaxton Leopard, Irizar Century, Barbie, VDL, Tata Hispano, Sunday, Euless, Mercedes Turismo, and of course Moby People. If you want more details, please find our contact details below.